one rare one who can accomplish all these qualities in yourself. Kvachit. Achalakriti, sitting down. Achalakriti, even the body is not moving even a millimeter forward or backward or sideways. Because body is an extension of the mind. If the mind is angry, body perspires, shivers. If the mind is afraid, the body shows all those mistakes. Body is not anything other than the mind. The grossier part of the mind is the body. Whenever the mind is agitated, the body also moves. Meditation, you are sitting down. The mind started thinking of your enemy number one. Why the body? It's an expression of the mind. Thus, the body is not moving at all means mind is quiet. The body is not moving at all is only on two occasions. Deep sleep or when you save the world from you. When you are dead, the body contains no mind, it doesn't move at all. When your dead body is lying down there, and you go for a glass of water and come back, hey, kahan gaye? Dead body has moved to another corner. No! It will not move from there. Because the mind is not there. Deep sleep, you will find everybody lying down. Child or young man or old man, when he's sleeping, there is no movement. Even those who are sleeping, you are constantly turning and jumping about, etc. That is because the subconscious mind is not slept. It's a very tragic situation. He doesn't sleep. There is such people generally wake up late in the morning. I can't get up early in the morning. Early in the morning when I get up, throughout the day I am sleeping. But you went to bed at 9 o'clock. Yes, every day regularly I go at 9 o'clock. Then when are you waking up? Generally 9 o'clock. 12 hours you sleep, yes, still someday I feel sleepy. I am never fresh when I wake up. It's only because of poor thing, you were in bed for 12 hours, but you did not sleep probably even 1 hour. You are always disturbed by the subconscious mind. Therefore, here, achala, without any movement, some rare individual, having accomplished all these qualities necessary, conditions necessary, kvachit, some rare one, achalakriti atmanishtato bhood. Abhood he became, atmanishtaha, well established in the atmic experience. And no movement. So don't sit down early morning meditating. You are thinking of the breakfast. Idli. Dosha, no movement. Not even an iota of movement. Hold the body. Because the mind becomes then quiet. And when the mind is quiet, the body will not move. And there sits the man, well established in the higher. Some rare one, not everybody. Because everybody is not able to accomplish these conditions necessary, preconditions necessary for awakening to the highest.